The summer holidays are here, isn't that fantastic? I hope you're going somewhere lovely. Just ignore all the stuff that's in the papers and on the television about the climate catastrophe. Southern Europe, which is where most of us go on our summer holidays, is hot. We know that. That's why we go there. The weather's lovely, the food's great, and so are the people. And it's just so different from home. If you are recovering from hip surgery or you've had it, say, within the last 6 months or a year, just be extra careful in an unfamiliar environment. There may well be slip and trip hazards, particularly in your hotel room or your apartment where you might be staying. The pool is another area where there are slip and trip hazards, so be really careful around there, particularly if you've had an extra bottle of wine at lunch. The area around the incision could be vulnerable to getting sunburnt, so keep it covered up or put on lots of Factor 50. But above all, just have a great time. That's what holidays are all about, going somewhere different and enjoying ourselves. I'll see you all after the summer break. Have a great time and a lovely summer. Thanks for watching.